Hello, today we are going to solve a question involving time. This is practice now 9 from the chapter Ratio, Rate, Time and Speed from the textbook New Syllabus Mathematics or New Secondary Mathematics by Oxford University Press. The question is, a ship left Port X at 22:45 on Friday and arrived at Port Y 7 whole 1 by 4 hours later. At what time and day did the ship arrive at Port Y? So basically here we have three types of time: departure time, journey time and arrival time. Departure time is the time at which the ship departed. It left for its destination. Journey time is the time that the ship took from Port X to Port Y. And arrival time is the time at which the ship arrived at the destination. So let's look at the question again. A ship left Port X at 22:45. Left. Left Port X at 22:45. It means that 22:45 is the departure time on Friday and arrived at Port Y 7 whole 1 by 4 hours later. So arrived later means the journey time. So 7 whole 1 by 4 is the journey time. At what time and day did the ship arrive at Port Y? So we have to find arrival time. So there are two methods to solve the questions involving time. One is that you can draw the timeline, and the second method is by adding or subtracting. I'll be showing you both methods in this video. So starting with the timeline method. We draw a timeline as shown here. This is the timeline which is shown with blue color. This is the starting point of the journey and this is the ending point of the journey. At the starting point, we write the departure time and at the ending point, we write the arrival time. And on top of the number line, this black line indicates the journey time. So let's fill in the information that we have on the timeline. In departure time, we will write 22:45 and in journey time, we will write 7 whole 1 by 4 hour. And 7 whole 1 by 4 hour, this 1 by 4 hour means, if we convert it into minutes, it means 1 by 4 of an hour, which is 1 by 4 into 60 minutes. And this is equal to, after cutting, 4 ones are 4, 4 15s are 60. So this is 15 minutes. So 7 hours and 15 minutes. We can also see it using the clock which is given here. 1 by 4 means if we partition this clock into 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4 portions, and we take one portion out of it. So this portion indicates 15 minutes. So 7 whole 1 by 4 hour means 7 hours and 15 minutes. So let's write it down. So 7 hours and 15 minutes. And now we have to find the arrival time. Now that we have written the departure time over here, अब हम देखेंगे कि 22:45 के बाद next hour कौन सा है. So 22:45 के बाद the nearest hour is 23. So we will write 23 over here. और 22 hours and 45 minutes के कितनी देर बाद 23 hours होंगे? 15 minutes बाद. So we will write 15 minutes over here. So हमारी journey 22:45 से जो start हुई, 22 hours and 45 minutes से जो start हुई, वो यहाँ तक पहुँचते पहुँचते 23 hours तक पहुँचते पहुँचते 15 minutes हो गए. हमारा टोटल जर्नी टाइम था 7 hours and 15 minutes, जिसमें से 15 minutes हमने कवर कर लिए हैं. नाउ वी हैव टू कवर 7 hours. सो 23 के बाद 7 hours तक हमने जाना है. दिस इज 23. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट 7 hours का क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब है at 24 it will be 1 hour. इसके बाद 24 के बाद दोबारा से न्यू डे स्टार्ट हुआ तो 1 से स्टार्ट करेंगे, तो 2 आवर्स हो जाएंगे 1 पे, 2 पे 3 हो जाएंगे, at 3 o'clock it would be 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours and 7 hours. तो 7 hours कब होंगे? at 6 hours. तो 7 hours कब हो रहे हैं? 6 hours पे. तो इसका मतलब है कि अराइवल टाइम इज 6 hours. जर्नी स्टार्ट हुआ था फ्राइडे को, और फ्राइडे के बाद 24 के बाद नेक्स्ट डे स्टार्ट हो गया, तो द नेक्स्ट डे आफ्टर फ्राइडे इज सैटरडे. So we have found the time and the day when the ship arrived at Port Y using the timeline. अब मैं आपको यहीं पे बता देती हूँ कि अगर हम यहाँ पे एडिशन करते तो हम किस तरह से ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते थे. हमारे पास डिपार्चर टाइम था 22:45. यहाँ पे वी आर राइटिंग आवर्स और गैप के बाद वी आर राइटिंग द मिनट्स. और हमारा जर्नी टाइम है 7 होल 1/4 आवर्स, जिसका मतलब है 7 आवर्स, एंड 1/4 आवर का मतलब है 15 मिनट्स. हम इसे ऐड करेंगे. 45 plus 15 is 60. 22 plus 7. 7 plus 2 is 9 and 2 as it is. और 60 मिनट्स का मतलब है 1 आवर. तो यहाँ पे 1 ऐड हो जाएगा विच मीन्स 30 आवर्स. और 30 आवर्स का मतलब है 24 के बाद आगे 30 देखें तो 24 के बाद 30 का मतलब है 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, यानी कि 0600, 6 hours and 0 minutes. So exactly at 6 hours. एक और क्वेश्चन जो पूछा जाता है वो ये है कि हाउ डू वी डिसाइड कि हमने ऐड करना है या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. तो इसके लिए सिंपल सा रूल है. टेक द फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट्स ऑफ दीज थ्री, A, D and J. I have written them in alphabetical order. A for arrival time, D for departure time, J for journey time. Arrival time is equal to departure time plus journey time. So alphabetical order में अगर इसको लिख लें तो A is equal to D plus J. तो अराइवल टाइम अगर हमने फाइंड करना है तो डिपार्चर टाइम और जर्नी टाइम को हम ऐड करेंगे. और अगर हमने डिपार्चर या जर्नी टाइम फाइंड करना है तब क्या करेंगे? स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर द वीडियोस जिनमें ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को एड्रेस किया गया है. So now that I have told you both the methods, you may use any method which you find easier to understand. Happy learning!